This is Carvana. I think we'll go inside and see. So what do? They just come up here, they pop in their card.
No, it's a coin. You give them
a coin.
Yeah, I'll show you.
Oh. So that is awesome. Isn't that cool?
And then you can.
Are they setting up dealerships in Canada?
I'm sure they will be. The company's still fairly new.
Well, yeah.
6 years old.
Oh, that is cool. That is really cool. So all online.
Yes, everything's online. If you actually want to take a look at how it works,
Yeah.
come right here to our kiosk.
Oh, wow. Oh, that's neat. So search cars. Family size.
Oh, sorry. Whenever you're ready, ma'am. Okay.
Wow.
And
Isn't
then
that
if you
cool?
have like certain features that you want, like if you want one with the sunroof, it'll narrow down all the way to the sunroof. And
Okay.
then from there, if you want like a rear view camera, it'll narrow down all the ones with the rear view camera. And then you can just basically
Wow.
see which ones. Well, this is the Orlando location, so you'd want to choose Orlando.
Mm-hmm. That's good.
Yeah, so here, these are all the ones that can go in Orlando. And you can get them as soon as, like this one, you can get as soon as tomorrow. Thursday. Thursday would probably be the earliest date.
Oh, wow. You put in your coin. Okay, you already bought your car. You put in your coin. Now, do you get the coin here?
We give you the coin, yeah.
Okay.
One of the coins that I just pulled out, I give it to you.
And then-
insert it in the slot. And
Okay, you insert it here. The slot.
And then you'll
And
see
then
the
this thing-
tower go up and pick up your car.
Wow, that is awesome.
On the camera there, and then bring it back down for you.
Oh, neat.
And it comes out and it showcases your car, and then it'll go out into one of the bays, and then we'll go out and see the car.
Damn. That is neat.
And
Very.
if you go around the corner outside, you'll see the big tower
Yeah.
with all the cars inside. Yeah.
Oh, I gotta see one of those. Those cars are all sold. So they come down the slot inside, and then you get one of these bay doors. And bing. Not bad.